Alright, let's point it even higher just in case I'm an idiot and didn't point it right. Adjust the sunglasses. I'll try landing with half flaps this time. How big is half flaps? Yeah, half flaps is good. Alright, that was fun. I'm going to shoot some landings now. Let's get the nose in. Give me some half flaps. Got some throttle. Let's see how slow we can get her. That's the other thing I love about this plane, is when you kick flaps, nothing happens. You don't need an elevator mix, you don't need a compensation for anything at all. It doesn't nose up, it doesn't nose down. Flaps, nothing happens. This honestly flies as well as my old version 1 happens. It's that easy. High praise indeed, because I love that plane. And it's so pretty! Alright, throttle down, flaps down, throttle cut. Bring her on down, I'm going to touch this time. Flaps in the turn, cut throttle in the turn, you can just abuse it, man, and it just does what you want. Sorry about the wind noise. My 1 minute warning. I'm going to do one more pass. Look at that, man. I haven't really been messing with rudder too much either. But I gotta land this time, so alright, let's see if I can get it a little slower this time than the last one. Oh, I was full flaps. Oops. Good strong landing gear, thankfully. Right? I was at full flaps, I didn't realize. Yeah, I just gotta get used to the flare. Boop. shit, that's hot. Oh, bloody tight magnets on there. So you grab me 2 blues and that adapter. 3/8 all around. I'm kind of good at this. Switch. So the next flight, I've got 2 2650s. These are kind of old packs. If they were new, I would do individual flights for like a minute and a half, but I'll probably just do another 4-minute flight on these 2 together. Can you bring those other 2 out and just set them on the roof?
The other 2 yellow ones?
No, the blue ones. There's a worrying smell of burning. You smell that? But I'm pretty sure it's the asphalt. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to burn the plane up. Alright, so there it is. 2 2650s in parallel, side by side. Fits fine. I don't need that for this flight. I'm not a big fan of the EC5s, but for this purpose it works alright. Alright. Look at me go. 2 flights in 1 video. Now my landing gear took a bit of a bash on that last flight, and you can see it's turning right now a little bit, but oh well. It happens, man. Half flaps for takeoff and away we go. Flaps up, wheels up. This is how good this plane is. It just inspires confidence in everything. I'm going to kick half flaps and cruise around for a little bit and just see how she likes it. This is one of the few planes I've ever had where that's something you could do. You could just cruise around on half flaps and get there. The other one was the Rock Hobby P39 Cobra, which, like my first Avanti, died in a tragedy. Oh well. I'm a big old fan of these planes that just do what you want. Alright, well, no sense beating on these old packs. Let's bring her in. Half flaps. Cut the power, and let's see if I can't get a good landing today. I have one more pack to do, but I'd like it to be this flight, because I may not do video on the next one. Not my prettiest, but not bad. So cool. I sure do like it, man.
I got a solar panel inspector coming by again today.
Alright. Speaking of solar panels, I bought a little motion detector light. Anyway.